In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform a grayscale image into a vibrant, full-color masterpiece using Photoshop. This is a straightforward process that leverages Photoshop's powerful neural filters to achieve stunning results. First, open your grayscale image in Photoshop. You want to make sure the image is set to the correct color mode before applying any filters. Go to the menu bar, click on Image, then navigate to Mode, and select RGB color. This step is essential because the filter won't work properly if your image is still in grayscale mode, so it's crucial not to overlook this detail. Once that's done, it's time to tap into the magic of Photoshop's neural filters. Head over to the Filter menu and select Neural Filters from the drop-down. In the Neural Filters panel, look for the Colorize filter. It's typically found near the top since it's a popular choice for bringing life to black and white images. Enable this filter and you'll immediately see a major transformation as Photoshop works its magic to automatically colorize your image. However, the default settings might not perfectly match your vision, so you might want to adjust the global settings for saturation, hue, or color balance. This can be done right within the Neural Filter panel. You'll notice sliders and controls that allow you to tweak these aspects to get the tones and colors just right. Additionally, the feature of adding pins or focal points is incredibly useful. By placing these pins on specific areas of your image, you can override the auto-colorization, providing a more tailored and precise color spot. This comes in handy for critical areas where you might want more control over the tint or shading, giving you a final result that's both accurate and vibrant. After you're satisfied with your changes, decide how you want to output the newly colorized version of your image. You have several options here, including creating a new layer with the applied colors. This choice is great if you want to preserve your original grayscale image while having a separate colorized version to work on. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click OK to apply the changes. Finally, to refine any details, you might find it beneficial to use a layer mask. This feature allows for further editing precision. You can also paint on specific colors if certain areas require more attention or adjustments, and utilize different blending modes to fine-tune the overall effect. This last step is where you can really showcase your creativity and attention to detail, ensuring that every aspect of your image shines with the vibrancy you envisioned. And there you have it, a beautifully colorized image that was once just a grayscale photo. Thanks to Photoshop's powerful tools, your images can now stand out with rich, dynamic colors.